This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and warm welcome to issue 18 of Building Optimus Prime, the Transformer. Looking at Michaela and Sam. See. And then going back to the cartoons, the headmasters again. It doesn't mean anything to me. RC probably, but I don't know. No, I vaguely remember them from the film, but no. Target Masters still, I don't have any memories of those either. I wish they go back to the original, the first gen stuff that I have some memories of. That might just look like a generic spaceship. I might not be remembering that at all. So yes, the right leg part 9. We've got another joint to attach. So yeah, quite easy. We've got some interesting washery parts in there. Put that together with some gaskets and things. Then I think next time, we're joining it onto the foot. So that's going to be quite interesting. So let's get to it. Right, so here we have the parts, more chunky metal bits. Let's add them to the leg. We're building down to the lower part of the leg here. We've got this one, which has got the 2 holes up there, because that goes on there like so. And we've got the 2 screws with washers, which will hold that in place. Get it on there. That lined up properly. There. Is there. It's me not getting it lined up properly. That one there, oh, that worked quite well. Picked that one up quite easily. That one on there, that will move out of the way while we're dealing with things. These need to be nice and secure. I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere anyway, because it's obviously a shaped square bracket. But you don't want his legs wobbling at all, do you? Make sure they are tight. There. There we go. Then the other side obviously goes in place over there. And there are 2 screws to hold that in place. One from each side, interestingly enough, on this. That one goes on there. One of these are going from this side to there. And I get this tightened down. And then turn it over and do the other side. Now it has to be lined up because of the shape of it. So we can pull that back out of the way. Turn it over. And the other screw will go through the lower part. Down there. Then the interesting parts come into play. We've got the plastic washer piece that goes over there. It's more sort of rubber than plastic. That goes on there. Nice. Then I do need to check to make sure I'm doing this the next bit the right way round. Right, so yes, the side with the vent has got the screws on it. That's this side. So this goes on there like that. Okay, that's interesting. Like that, with that going on the other side. The other 2 screws that I've got out already, I'll hold that in place. Interesting. That one and that one. come back and tighten those up in a moment, but we've got to put these two washers in place where, oh yeah, where I thought, not right on the end, but the other two areas there, they've got to stretch over. One there, but also one further up. Maybe I'll go over that one rather than have to move this one. I might not stop on that. Now it's got a bit on there. There we go. So there we have that. It's really coming together now. It's got a decent bit of leg there. So yeah, that's it. Another issue completed. I shall see you soon for more. When I'm pretty sure we're going to be attaching the foot to it, making it twice as heavy and unwieldy. Yay! So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.